Well, that's a lot of dirt. And we found more potatoes.
Guten Yardening, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a medium-sized potato harvest.
So the first thing we're gonna do is be dumping over our potatoes. So it's really cold out here today, and we're gonna be harvesting our final potato harvest. So first of all, we're gonna be trying to get out our potatoes. Oh, I found one already. This one's nice and big. It's ready for us. See already what I found. We're gonna try to get these out by just shaking it and see how much we get. There's a lot of well, that's a lot of dirt. And we found more potatoes. Are really big. You can see them. They're so big. They're nice and ripe though. Cute. There's so many. Only one left. There's so many of these. There's a baby. You can see that. Oh, there's another little one. And we're gonna start by digging into our soil. So now we're gonna pick it up. This is the egg. Pick it up. Let's make sure we can find pieces. I think this is all for this container, and we might need to search around some more, make sure we're right, because there could be some more hiding. This looks like a seed potato because it's all mushy, because every potato grows from this. And there's one of them, another one, but this one looks like a brain, kind of.
Alright, so we're going to move on to our next potato bag. Gonna start by trying to tip this one over. And then pull this back. And then lift it up. And then do it. Okay, let's see what we can get from this.
I see a potato. It's in the middle.
Alright,
down there.
Let's see. You see one?
Yeah. You skipped one.
Okay, we'll go back to it. Okay, here's a good one.
What's your favorite way to eat potatoes?
My favorite way to eat potatoes is probably fried potatoes or baked sweet potatoes, and there's egg inside. That's probably my two favorite ways to eat potatoes.
Do you like your mashed potatoes too?
I love mashed potatoes, but they're really good mostly with either crock pot food or beef in general. It's a good one.
Looks like there's two different varieties in there, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. There's a baby one. There's a baby one.
Here's the one that my sister was pointing at. It's a tiny baby one. Let's see if there's anything else in here. This might be it. Ooh.
This looks like there's three varieties in here, huh?
Yeah.
All right, which color of potato do you like the best?
For regular potatoes, that's a hard one. Purple potatoes for sweet potatoes aren't my favorite, but I like the plain old yellow potatoes just for regular potatoes.
What do you think about this harvest so far?
I think it's going really, really well for the size of the container that we used.
You know what, you two are doing better than our earlier container harvest for potatoes, our other bags and containers. Well, that's pretty impressive because you all planted these.
Yeah. Look. Ooh.
Daddy, look.
Big one. Whoa. There's 2 more big ones and another big one.
There's a whole bunch on here.
Yeah. My hands are freezing.
Why are your hands so cold?
Because it's almost like winter time.
This is a really late potato harvest, isn't it?
Yeah, that's probably why they got so big. And if you look really closely, this is the seed potato for this this planting bag. You can see how big it might have been when it was when you just first planted it, and it shrunken down. It's a little bit squishy.
Oh, look, I found something in our potato harvest.
Do you know what that is?
No,
That is a potato berry. Potato berries are not edible.
they're poisonous.
Almost.
We're gonna put this off to the side and figure out
Do you know what's inside that potato berry?
seeds.
That's right, it's potato seeds. They're true potato seeds, but if you plant them, they won't grow back the same potato that you put in the ground. They'll be different.
Well, they'll be into regular potatoes.
Oh, who knows? It might be similar though. Maybe we'll plant some next season.
Here's what the seeds look like. They look like tiny little dots, but they're actually seeds.
Open it up all the way.
Ah, so hard because it's cold.
Oh, look at all those seeds. How many do you think are in there?
About 10.
10? There can be hundreds in there.
What? Now we're gonna get to harvesting. I'm gonna start by flipping this over. Now we're gonna start by getting these out. Lots of potatoes could be in here.
Do you need help?
Where there's a will, there's a way, huh?
Yeah. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Try to lift it straight up.
It's,
Want me to help you?
I see a potato. Ready? Let me try. 1, 2, 3. Woo! There's a potato.
Whoa!
Oh, hold that up in your. Whoa! Hold it back down here so we can see
Penelope.
it. Penelope. What does that mean? Here, hold it up so I can see it.
Butterfly.
Hold it up so we can see how big it is. Put your hand down there so we can see the size. That is a huge potato.
It looks like a butterfly.
Butterfly?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it
what
looks
it's
like
Awesome. All right, get in there. See what else is there.
a potato. Oh, potato.
I see a potato.
I want to get it.
It's over here.
Potato. I found one. This one's really big.
Kind of looks like a pear or a peanut.
Yeah,
I'll take this one.
Let's see if there's any more. I see one.
It's a baby one.
Yay, baby.
What's your favorite way to eat your potatoes?
My favorite way is probably mashed. And I like eating them with ketchup. And when they're mashed potatoes.
Do you like to combine your mashed potatoes with sweet potatoes and mash it all together?
I kind of like that, not so much. Oh look, I found a worm.
Show me the worm.
Yeah.
Show me the worm. Hold it up. Are you afraid of worms?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
This one has fear, but it's a nice size.
Yeah, these weren't the best looking potatoes that we bought. Is that the brain? That's the one that's the one she thought was your sister thought was a brain.
This over here. 1, 2, 3.
You got this.
Oh, look, it's a wormy.
How about you? Are you afraid of worms?
Well, I'm not afraid of them, but I don't feel comfortable splitting them for fishing. Don't see. Oh. It's another wormy. And there's one lonely potato.
I'll check and see. If there's one potato, there might be two.
And two might be three.
There's a root.
Ooh! Another potato.
I knew there was going to be a potato root that has sign of potatoes.
Ooh! Three potatoes?
We still got some potatoes out of there, yeah. Hold them over here so we can see them. It's a small harvest, but it's not a zero harvest out of that one.
Yep.
All right, let's put them all together and see what we got. Our final weight for these potatoes, 6.21 pounds. Not bad. All right, girls, what do you think of the harvest?
I think it was a pretty good harvest.
I think it's food harvest.
Yeah, I think we did better than we thought.
It looks like a nut. One looks like a butterfly nut.
Butterfly nut?
This one
This
had the
one's
most.
butterfly.
I think this one had the biggest ones. This one was probably the most misshapen ones, and this one was just probably this one.
What are you gonna do with this food, girls?
We're gonna eat it.
There we are. You enjoy being out here harvesting?
Yeah.
All right, what would you like to say to folks as we head off?
That depending, it doesn't matter how big or small the container is. It just matters how much hope and skill you put into it.
Very nice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, when you're with us,
You're good to grow.